Good morning, good afternoon, wherever your time is. Let's get going, right? Again, if you've already done yours, don't include this. But if you're literally just starting your website and you haven't included this, I would advise you to. I know it's a little bit slow, but it is only two selectors at the end of the day. There we go. Just so you know, it's that one if you'd like. I'll do background color red. That's perfect. Reload. There we go. Now let's get that out of our site because it's painful. Okay, so first, I'm going to need to grab the header. That's got everything in it. I need to display that flex. Header, display flex. Okay, for the ones that don't know, here we go. Let's see, this bit here is not the header. This is content that you can see. These are your Facebook social tags. These are your home, and that's the brand name, all right? So the next, what we do, what I'm actually going to do is do that. Do this. SM, social media. Okay, so the entire nav is again going to be display flex, save, reload. There we go. Then we'll do the SM, display flex. Up here, we will do justify content and space evenly. There we go. Yeah, it's not spaced, but we'll sort that out now. We need the nav margin for the entire whole of the nav. Let's see, 5 pixels. Same for this margin, 5 pixels. What we do need to do is go further up here and do the LIs. List decoration, none. The A tags, because they're all wrapped in the A tags. Text decoration, none. So list style and text decoration, none. There we go. And then we do align items, center. There we go. SM, red dot SM li, because this is the list item. Are they wrapped in A tags? Because if so, yeah, we need to target the LIs A's. So there's 2 pinpoints there, and we'll do margin top and bottom 0, left and right 2 pixels. That means it's 4 pixels in total on the left and right. Let's double. Yes, it's 8, but as you can see, it needs it. Same. And now LIAs. There we go. There we go. So I did it right the first time. And then we need the align items again. There we go. So technically that is actually now working. Obviously they're not going to be words, they're going to be images. I would advise you to do images. And you can get your images from here. And again, we will just do this for quick sake, Facebook. There you go. Don't want to download one embed. Cool. Right in there. You've got that. And so it's wrapped around still, the A tag. Okay, then we reload. Now there's no writing. What is that? Okay, so that's pretty much done, but just so you can see it working, I will do ran, should I say, so short for random. You can see it's not real text. Width, 100%. Height, 200 VH. And again, we do justify content, space evenly. Display, flex. And then let's go across as usual. Flex direction, we need DI direction. So there we have it. That is how you do a nice even header. And if you like, you can always fix it to the top by doing this. Position fixed top 0. The last bit is where you want it to be fixed. Okay, there we go. And then you just add a background color of whatever you want. There you go. That is how we do it. If you need any help, please by all means just let me know in the comments. Thank you.